Hey PCEP, it's Una. Tonight we're checking out Salem Girls Swim and Dive. Tonight they're versing Northville, so let's get on with it, PCEP. Hey PCEP, I'm Una. I'm here with Liliana, so please share a little bit about yourself with us.
I'm a Salem senior diver, and I've been on the team for 4 years.
Awesome. What's your favorite dive to compete in the season?
Probably front 1.5 pike.
Awesome. So what's your favorite part of senior season so far?
I'd have to say senior night. It's just really fun. The girls pick a theme for us, and they surprise us on senior night. It's just really fun.
Awesome. What was your guys' theme this year?
It was like Disney princesses.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing. So what's next for you guys in the season?
So swimmers have conferences on Thursday and finals on Saturday, and divers have conferences on Friday.
Awesome. Thank you and good luck on the rest of your season. Thanks for watching PCEP, and thank you Salem Girls Swim and Dive for letting me hang out with you.
Good morning. Who am I here with?
Hello, I'm Neil Natarajan.
And do you play doubles or singles in tennis?
I play number 1 singles for Plymouth Tennis.
Thank you. How long have you been playing tennis for?
I've been playing tennis for the past 5 years. I started when I was 10 years old.
What got you into tennis, or was it by person, by parents?
Yeah, my grandpa used to play a lot of tennis. He was actually an umpire at the Davis Cup back in the 80s. So he really inspired me to start playing tennis.
Is this a family thing? Does all your family play tennis, or just you and your grandpa?
Me and my grandpa mainly. My dad never learned tennis. However, he does coach me a lot of the time.
Thank you. Have you been playing, what grade level are you?
I'm a sophomore.
Have you been playing all of your years?
Yes, I played last year, and then this is my second year.
How would you say your season has gone?
My season has been really fun. I learned a lot, some good wins, some good losses. Playing one singles is definitely a challenge, but I was able to have a lot of fun this season and learn a lot.
During the season, what would you say your favorite memory or maybe favorite part about it is?
My favorite part of the season is hanging out with the team. We have a really good connection. We do a lot of bonding. We go out to eat a lot. Getting some good wins, going home on the buses. It's just like the friendships that you make along the way, more than the tennis. But playing tennis comes with a lot of fun, a lot of friendships as well, which has been really enjoyable for the past 2 years.
You say you go out to eat a lot. Favorite restaurant or like the team collective?
Culver's.
Good answer. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with
Garrett Meeks.
and I want to ask you, what do you really enjoy about the creative foods class?
I really enjoy making food with my friends and really enjoy just making different kind of stuff. You know, we don't know what we're going to make every week, and it's just like really enjoyable to eat and make it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with,
Gus.
and I want to ask you, what do you enjoy the most about creative foods class?
I enjoy the most learning about new cooking techniques I could use at my house and trying new foods I've never tried before.
Okay, thank you. Here with,
Hassan Malad.
and I wanted to ask you, what do you enjoy the most about creative foods?
I like cooking new things, trying new recipes out. You know, trying to perfect what we do, I guess, and not try not to mess up. I think that's the fun part of it. And I guess just like being able to cook in school is just another fun thing. You know, you can eat, and then you have lunch and eat again. So, yeah.
Gotcha. All right, I appreciate you.
Hi, I'm Kirsten. I'm here at PCEP's open house with all the clubs, sports, and activities PCEP has to offer. I'm here with 88 The Park. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yep, so I'm Aiden Przlowski, and I'm the news director at 88 The Park. So 88 The Park is really special to a lot of people in the community because we're really more than just a club. We go out in the community, we do outreach events, and we broadcast on 88.1 FM. So we call ourselves Plymouth and Canton's high school radio station because that's what we are, and we're really in touch with the community.
What would you say to someone interested in joining 88 The Park right now?
I would say that no matter who you are or what you like, you don't have to love public speaking to be a part of radio because it's such a diverse group of people with different skill sets that we're happy to have anyone apply and sign up.
Very cool. Thank you, and that's all.
Yeah, I'm Zach Brensworth. I'm the secretary of the Park Players.
I'm Ben Jajo. I am the vice president of the Park Players.
Nice to see you guys. All right, so Zach, Ben, could you tell me a little bit about what your activity has to offer?
Of course. So we are the student-run theater program here, and we just offer multiple shows for students to participate in. So this year we have 4. We have 2 plays and 2 musicals, 2 shows per semester. So students can audition and perform in shows, or they can apply and do crew for the shows as well and kind of be more behind the scenes.
The community is incredible. You'll find some of the most heartfelt, genuine people ever in the theater program, and I think that it's a great opportunity to set you up for things like college and maybe even beyond that. And you might find something that you truly love.
Hi, I'm Kirsten, and I'm here with
Christina Lakis.
Nice to see you. All right, so what is the club that you're representing today?
I'm representing Warriors for a Healthy Mind.
Very cool. So how time-consuming is this club?
We meet once every 2 weeks, every Wednesday after school. The club lasts for about 30 minutes to an hour after school.
Very nice. What are some highlights you have to share, like things you really enjoy about the club or that you would advertise to others?
What I really enjoy about the club is that the people you meet are just so impactful. Like, you guys share all the common interests of mental health and like promoting it. And so I also enjoy like the speakers that come in and like the activities that we do, because we do like fidget making, post mental health, like poster making, like stuff like that. And it's just so impactful because I think it's so important to represent good mental health in the school.
I'm here with Ari Bentamilia. How was it planning this event? It was stressful, but it was all worth it at the end. How did you hear about Plymouth Congress? I heard about it at activity fair and club night back in 8th grade. What's your favorite part about Congress? Hanging out with my friends and seeing them all on Monday. All right, thank you.